This is our hardware model of the project solar based cold storage system. The solar panel of 12 volts and 10 watts, and we used a 12 volt battery here. And this is a cold storage chamber, and here we have this is a charge controller we use. This is a cooling unit. Okay. This is a temperature sensor and a LED display. This is an Arduino, and we have placed air blower to blow that. And here is the temperature sensor and LCD display, and this senses the temperature and LED display. And this is connected to the Arduino. This is a feedback system, and we gave the alternate source to this. The chamber temperature is 30.5 degrees centigrade. And this system get started when we set at the threshold of threshold temperature of 26 degrees centigrade. It gets the system get on when the temperature gets raised. Now the temperature is getting slowly decreased. We have set a threshold temperature of 26 degrees centigrade. When from the solar panel, the charge gets charged to charge controller. From charge controller, battery gets charged. Battery supplies the source to both cold chamber and the Arduino. We have placed the temperature sensor inside the chamber, and there is a LED display and the Arduino. From the temperature sensor, the feedback is driven to the relay that controls the system.